the Chop Chop Farm. Today we're at Claresholm, Alberta, and we're going to Roy's place. It's a place that we've seen on TV, so not really recommended, but by TV has been recommended to us. And so we want to see how it is in there and eat some food. Yes, I own this trend. No, I don't. Let's go. Now, when we saw it on TV, I think we saw the fish and chips, and we saw, I think my wife took some Reuben sandwich and all that stuff, and then we got some soup. So without further ado, we are going to jump into it, show you how it looks like, and start eating because we're hungry. Are you hungry?
Oh, I'm famished, guys.
Oh, let's do this. And we want to start with the fish and chips just because we don't want anything to go soggy, because nobody wants anything soggy. It works. So we're going to start with this. All right?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh my God, guys, look.
You got your white fish in there. The crepes is so wonderful. I think the butter they use is also so tasty.
Yeah, it has good flavor.
So you could actually eat this without
the tartar sauce.
The tartar sauce, but you know they give it to us. We can't be rude.
We're gonna use it.
We're gonna have to use it. Okay, let's go for it.
Let's do this.
Ooh, look at that!
Wow,
and I'm not making a mess.
Oh my goodness. Guys, look at the fish. It's so humongous, eh?
There's a reason why this place was on TV. I think they know what they're doing. Definitely a fantastic sandwich. Was it a sandwich? No. Fantastic fish.
And then you can put your citrus on it. Oh my God.
Go, one more for that.
And then guys, we have the fries.
Fantastic rating for this one. Definitely will go for this.
The seasoning is really good. The butter is really nice and light. And the fish is humongous.
Wonderful. Wonderful. All right. We're going to move on to our second dish that we have here. Is the soup that Ruth loves so much. Just by the name.
By the name.
By the name. She doesn't know how it tastes yet, but she heard the name and she just jumped right to it. So let's do it justice and see if it actually tastes
and let's make
wonderful.
A mess. No.
All right.
Making a mess.
So in this place, you got yourself some brisket, some beans, some carrot. I don't know what else is in there.
Oh my goodness, that's some beans.
I'm coming right down there, you see, so they can see us. You see me?
I can see you.
Okay, let's go for this. I need to grab everything that counts.
It's hard, huh?
All right, let's go.
My God. The beef is so tender. The soup is so flavorful.
It has like this aftertaste thing, but it's actually, you know, like how you have aftertaste that is bitter. This one is actually sweet, the aftertaste.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like pushing you to eat even more. Case in point.
What JC talk?
Case in point.
I'm gonna help myself.
Yeah, so this city is in between Lethbridge and I'm thinking a lot more cities because I don't know how it works.
Okoto,
And
but it's closer to Lethbridge.
A bunch more, yeah, closer to Lethbridge than it is to Calgary.
Yes.
It looks like a city of museum and stuff like that, but it's a small city. Kind of like people know each other. And on Sundays like this, I think it means a lot here because people are taking their entire family to the restaurant. Yeah, case in point, she won't stop eating. We are going to move to the next one. Credit for this. And she's learned to slurp.
Yes, I actually learned it. I didn't know how to.
Yeah, you know what that means. Anyways, we're gonna move to the next one, which is called the Reuben
Sandwich,
which composed of, Ruth already told you what it composed with, so we're just gonna eat it. First of all, we're gonna show you how lovely it looks. I don't know what kind of bread they use.
Look at the bread.
Oh man, it's full of cabbage in there.
Gosh.
Full of cabbage.
I think it's sauerkraut.
Sauerkraut. Yeah. You ready?
I'm more than ready.
What kind of bread is this anyway?
It's a bread for
Chocolate
the Reuben.
For the Reuben. I love the answer. Let's go. I think after that, supposed to take this, the pickle, and chase it with it. Wow.
Oh my God.
Wow.
It is really good. This Reuben sandwich.
You have the tartness to it. You have the meatness to it. And you have that cabbage that comes in there. Whatever bread they are using, please let us know in the comment what it's called. It's white and black. Kind of like they put chocolate to it.
Yes.
So wonderful.
Like a marble cake.
Yeah, like a marble cake. And it just, there's gravy for the fries. But it works together in combination. I do again understand why they're on TV. But they're wonderful burger. They're wonderful food, not just a burger. Look at that. I might get me one more.
While you do that, I'm trying the coleslaw. I'm guessing this is a dill coleslaw. It's very refreshing. Oh my God. This is good.
Anyways, guys, we are still in Claresholm. We've tried this place called
Roy's Place.
Roy's Place is wonderful. If you have a chance, take a look at it wherever it is. You might be surprised what you get in there. Thank you so much again for following us, watching us. Keep hitting that subscribe and like and support this local small channel that brings you food review from everywhere, unbiased food review. Thank you again. This is us. Until
the next video, take care and stay safe.
Peace out.
Oh my God.
Did you finish the whole thing?
This is good.